I used to work as a security guard so that I can earn some money and I can buy a laptop. And then I figured out it, and she gave me a good laptop.
So that laptop changed your life actually.
Hi, this is Priya Dutt and I'm the chairperson of Nargis Dutt Foundation. So today I have a very special person which I want everybody to hear, because with Nargis Dutt Foundation we do a lot of work with students and education, and we have a lot of students under our scholarship program, because our vision is that no child, especially a brilliant, talented child, should miss out on their future and their education because of lack of funds. And we've been very thankful that we've got a bunch of amazing young entrepreneurs and professionals now with us. And I would like to introduce to you one such person, Altamash. And Altamash has been very special actually for the Nargis Dutt Foundation, because when he first came here, he was बहुत सहमा सा, very nervous, not confident enough. And today I'm so happy to see you, Altamash, and to see that how much you've achieved. And the reason we've wanted you to speak about your journey is because it will inspire so many others like you. And I think it's important for people to know that the potential which is there amongst the youth in our country. So tell me a little bit about how it all started and how you managed and came to Nargis Dutt Foundation.
The journey started when I completed my 10th standard, and after that I could pass, and nobody in my family was past 10th standard also. So my mom was very happy, and I was unbelievable. And actually I was very average guy. I got 60% in my 10th standard. In middle of the May, I watched a video. In that video, he was explaining the HTML and CSS, basic computer programming website knowledge. So I watched it in my mobile phone, and I've got a very big interest that this is something I wanted to do. And I told my mom that I'm gonna do this. So still the college's admission was about to end, and in COVID we were very suffering, and from light bills and rents, and it was impossible for me to join a college. Somebody told me about the Nargis Dutt Foundation. So I was after hearing the name, I'm sure that I'm not going to get any scholarship. So my father told me, let's just go there and try. So my father came in, and he met Andrea ma'am. Andrea ma'am told him to draft an email. My father came back home and he told me write an email. They told us to write an email. So I drafted a mail, and it was very surprising for me that you've given me the opportunity to learn further. After I joined my college, I don't have the laptop, because everything they used to teach, it's on the laptop.
Everything is on the laptop.
Still, I used to watch videos online, and after the first semester, during my first semester, I used to work as a security guard so that I can earn some money and I can buy a laptop. I used to work from 9 p.m. to 9 a.m. next day.
Then you go to college.
It was online that time, but at that time I don't also have the mobile phones to attend the lecture, because whenever I used to attend that Zoom call, my phone was burning, was too heat. And I asked Andrea ma'am that ma'am, I met Sridhar sir, Andrea ma'am and Sunita ma'am. Andrea ma'am called me, let's just come.
So Sunita and Sridhar became mentors to Altamash, and a lot of people who volunteer with us can become mentors to us. And I think that was a great help.
Yeah, so I came here, and I was very nervous at that time, and I came here and they was sitting and they were asking what you wanted to do, and that time also I was not sure, because somebody told me if you wanted to become a hacker, you have to be a very good at website development. So if they asked me what you wanted to do, so I told them I want to work in Amazon.
You're still not sure what you wanted to do.
So subconsciously I've told them that I wanted to become a hacker. So they told me, why don't you join a internship, and I don't have any practical knowledge, so how can someone give, because this was the perspective in my mind. And I told them that I don't even have laptops now. So after 4 weeks, Andrea ma'am figured out it, and she gave me a good laptop and opportunity of internship in Matrix City, and it was unbelievable for me. and I've gone there, and I was very nervous. I was acting very weird in that company. The company was not, the office was small. Still, it was very big opportunity for me because.
So that laptop changed your life actually.
Yeah, laptop and that internship. The owner of the company, Professor, he also mentored me and guided me a lot. So from there, when I've got the laptop, when I've got the internship, he mentored me in a way. Hacking is not only about hacking a website. It's about you have to see the IT infrastructure of the company and think as an attacker perspective. So he guided me well enough, and my perspective became very big.
Very big.
It was not only about the website.
I can see the change also in you.
Thank you so much.
I feel there is ambition.
Yeah.
Nana?
Yeah.
You want to do so much more. It's not that now, your world is not that small anymore.
Yeah.
And I think that is something which is so important.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it's wonderful to see that, and he's become you are now focused on cyber security.
Yeah, cyber security, cyber crime investigation.
Excellent. I know that was a big thing, and you were very confident in passing it. I remember you telling Andrea that don't worry, it's the first try I'm going to pass, and you did. So that shows your confidence in, in what you're doing. So I just wanted to say, I think we've heard Altamash and heard his journey through his whole young life, and how much he has achieved just with the right opportunities in life. And I think that is what the vision of the Nargiza Foundation is: to make more youngsters like him, productive and who could really make a difference in society. And I think one other thing which we also instill, I think, in all our NDF students is to that inherent thing of giving back. You have seen so much in your life already, and you know that there must be so many people like you who need that opportunity. So I think always remember, no matter how big you become, how rich you become, how famous you become, always have your feet on the ground, and always remember that, there is always someone you can help. Yes. So thank you so much, Altamash. It was such a pleasure, and God bless you. And we always wish you the best, more success.